Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can share your location on Instagram. This is in their latest update, so make sure if you haven't updated your Instagram app, you do that first. So you can basically share your location via DMs. You're just going to scroll to the right here, and I'm just going to create a message real quick. To who? Okay, let's do this one. Okay, let's just do hi first. Oh my gosh, I can't even send it because, okay, what about this? Okay, I can. Okay, you're just going to press the plus button here, and as you can see, there's a location setting. You're going to press on it and you're going to select continue, and you can basically send either your current location or you can pin another location. I'm not going to select continue because I might reveal my location. I mean, nobody cares, but like I don't want to reveal it. So you're just going to select continue, and you can share your location. For instance, your friend's coming over to your house and you just want to share your location. You can absolutely do this. So yeah, again, okay, let me just select continue and I'll pause the video and I'll be right back. So this is just a random location. You can either pin it, so select this like pinned location thing, and you can send the pinned location. I'm just going to like choose like the ocean. Can I do that? Probably not. I'll just do here. Then you're just going to send pinned location to that person. And that is how you can send your location on Instagram. So the arrow at the bottom is where you can send, I think, your current location, where you're at and stuff. So yeah, that is the latest Instagram feature. I'm trying to find my glasses, sorry. But I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.